This is great. Is there an online plant buying company as good as Planterina.com? Enter Gabriella Plant. Hey guys, what's up? It's Erin. Well, as you may or may not know, Planterina.com has abruptly left the building. As of October 12th of this year, they will no longer be selling plants via Planterina.com. So I have been on a crazy plant buying mission to replace my source for the best online plants, some regular houseplants and some more rare plants. So today we're going to unbox from GABRIELLAPLANTS.com and see how they measure up. Here we go. So lately, I had been ordering a lot of alocasia from Planterina.com, and this time I'm kind of switching over to some rare philodendron, some easy philodendrons, actually. The thing I liked was there is a rewards program, but you order more plants, you get a coupon for your next order, and they also have a referral program. So if you refer a friend, you get a $5 coupon if your friend places the order. So that's awesome because, I mean, we're a whole network of plant friends. I feel like Gabriella Plants is now going to be having a barrage of new business. Packed and shipped by Taylor. Oh my God. Okay, I'm noticing a lot of these personalized buying experiences. Like, so far so good, right? I wanted some easy but like high yield but beautiful plants, which, I mean, like, that's kind of all the boxes checked, right? Both of these are 4-inch pots here. Ooh, mysterious veiled situation here. What's behind door number 1? Ooh. I ordered the 4-inch Philodendron Billietiae, this is so cute. Everything looks really healthy. I have to say that I ordered a 4-inch last week, so I kind of wanted to do a comparison, and it was definitely much bigger. But like, I know it's kind of the luck of the draw. Look at the deep sinus in this one. Both of these were the 4-inch model, but everyone looks really healthy. Really, this is clearly the newest guy. I think he's barely hardened off. So cute. I just love these, like this color of these petioles here. The thing with this is that you just don't want to overwater it. That's like public enemy number 1, but it's still going to need a fair amount of light, but you don't have to put it under a grow light, which is kind of nice. Lower maintenance, but not extremely quick growers. Wouldn't we all love to have like the giant model arrive to our house? But I feel like, what did I pay for this? This was definitely less expensive than the proper plant one. This was $20, so $19.99. So not bad for $19.99. At minimum, I just feel like we deserve a healthy plant to be arriving to us. So I like how they have this little cotton here to keep it in place. It's okay. Let's see what kind of soil we have underneath this cotton. Okay, so this is like definitely one of the more chunkier mixes that I've seen from an online plant. It's kind of more aeroid specific, I don't want to say. So I see some coconut chips, definitely the perlite, a little bit of soil. The soil is it's getting fairly dry here, so I will water and fertilize. They do recommend that you do quarantine your plant to keep them away from your whole barrage of plants just in case. But this is kind of like warped and distorted, so I feel like maybe this needs to be repotted soon. I really want to look. The other one that came had a little bit more of like definitely like a regular soil mix as opposed to like a chunky aeroid mix, and the roots are like pretty much trying to escape. Maybe both of these need to be potted up pretty soon. I mean, this was a little bit more expensive. I mean, look at this guy. He's impressive. He's getting impressive already. And this guy's got a little bit to go, but overall, for the price, a healthy plant arrived, which is all that I can ask for, and I'm into it. Let's see what's behind door number 2. A co-worker of mine, shout out to Will, has said that he really likes ordering Hoyas from Gabriella Plants, which I have to be honest, that's not my thing. I don't know why. You know why? I actually do know why. Because I love a big leaf energy moment. The Hoya just doesn't do that for me. And I'm too impatient, and I just want a big leaf unfurling moment. This is good. This is great. This is really good, you guys. This is like the high yield. Ooh, how gorgeous. Just wait till you see, you guys. Okay, so this is my brand new Jose Bueno. And would you look at that color? This is stunning. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. So beautiful. Look at that variegation. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun to look at. Speaking of high yield, big leaf energy plants, this is it. this is the guy. Soil's a little dry, and so it's just kind of like flopping out everywhere. But I see lots of perlite, and it looks like a very nice airy mix here. So a little bit of potting soil, some perlite, probably some fertilizer, I would imagine. But how beautiful and healthy do these look? And guess what? This gets out of control, and this is going to make you feel like the best plant parent ever. Even though this is a rare guy, he's definitely more highly accessible than he used to be. And so you can expect to pay like a little bit more of a reasonable price for him. I think I paid $49.99, which is fine because this is going to size up quickly. You don't have to put it under a grow light, but this plant will tell you when it's kind of needing more light, because you might get the next 2 leaves coming out as like all grain and losing this variegation. The plant is telling you that it needs more light or you're going to lose it. This block here, such a pretty plant. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for this guy to get so big. These are notorious. If you see any other plant online people showing off these, they're giant, like gorgeous plants. They are picking them up and they are knocking it over because these do get out of control. My sister has one. However, she says she did notice that she was losing some of the variegation on her leaf. She has it in kind of the middle of the room where it's getting a little bit less light, and so the plant is not suffering, but the color is. That's your first clue. But these are easy. They're not so precious for pests. Although the one special thing I would note about this is that although these leaves look like they're quite hardy, they are actually a little bit fragile. So they do tear easily. You could like knock one off easily. It's a little bit more precious texture-wise than you would imagine, so just be careful of that. And I am the queen of, oh god, there's a mosquito in here. Get away. I'm the queen of knocking leaves off. Like, are very, very cute. This one is definitely the showstopper. This one is very cute, not as showstoppy, but certainly adorable. I'm really impressed with the variety that Gabriella Plants had for the price. Really, all we want as online plant purchasers is a reliable plant that comes quickly. We don't want to pay too much, and we want like a beautiful specimen that we feel like we don't have to revive first before we are like growing it for that big leaf energy. Super thrilled with Gabriella Plants. I can't wait to order more. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to have a whole series aimed at replacing my Planterina plant hauls. So it looks like the good news is there are great alternatives out there. I will see you soon. Wishing you the biggest leaf energy.